Fine, let me start solving the fourth problem. Right, the product of 10101 into 25 is given. Right, it's very simple multiplication problem, right? 10, let me multiply it, 10101 into 25, right? So you can multiply by using individual digit also, otherwise don't go with the two digits only. 25 ones are 25, 5 to carry, 25 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2, 25 ones are 25, 5 to carry. So again 25 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2, 25 ones are 25. So this is the answer, 252525. Or otherwise you can go with individual digit, that is 10101 into 10101, right, and into 25. You can start multiplying by 5 first. 5 ones are 5, 0, 5 ones are 5, 0, 5 ones are 5. Then multiply with 2. 2 ones are 2, 0, 2 ones are 2, 0 and 2. Now add it, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2. The answer is here is B. The option B is the right answer.